Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this rhino sculpture out of this block of birch wood. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you for following along. Yeah. So I've stumbled upon a small problem, and that is that unfortunately on my bandsaw I managed to cut this leg too thin. So I could just roll with it, but the sculpture is not gonna look that cool with a leg that just looks unnaturally too thin. So what I'm gonna do is actually make an incision here, cut off the foot, and glue on another piece of wood. Make two flat surfaces and glue it on, and just reconstruct the foot. Alright. Okay, so I have made the muscles on the Rhino and changed the foot. You can clearly see a difference between the color, but for me it's like it's a cool step on the journey to make this wood carving. So yeah, it's just a cool reminder for me. So now the next step I'm gonna do is make the eyes and the feet and the small details. This is a stage that makes me pretty nervous every time I make a wood carving, because it's if I screw up the eyes, it's gonna look really weird. So, but I usually manage to pull through. Just gotta be patient and stuff. So yeah, let's make them eyes. Okay, so I skipped ahead a little bit, and this Rhino is actually kind of finished now. The only thing I'm gonna do now is the hand sanding and polishing it and maybe staining it. I'm thinking a very dark Rhino would be pretty cool. And now I'm going to make the base, and the lower part is gonna be walnut, and then I'm gonna use this part, or part of birch, for the stand, or whatever you call it. And I've been going through different designs, and it has been really hard for me to decide, but the one I liked most was actually this one. It's just a rough sketch, but yeah, I want kind of the lines here to have the same angle as the horn here, all around it. So yeah, I think this is gonna be turned into this one. So let's go ahead and start making that one. Thank you all so much for following me along with this project. I'm looking forward to show you the next one, and now I'm